Hello, Connie Nickel here today with Creative Scrapbooker magazine. Today I wanted to show you a couple of sweet cards I made with some ThermoWeb neon products. So these are made with the Rina Electro-Pop line. There's Neon Glitz in all kinds of colors. Look at these colors. They're like Hello Yellow, Orange Glow, Poppin' Pink, Screamin' Green. Super fun, super bright. They make the best ice cream cones. Stamp sets with matching detail stencils and then some matching craft dies. So this particular set is called Sweet Stuff. So I've got ice cream cones, I have cupcakes, I have revels, donuts, just lots and lots of fun. I'll show you how I made this flocked background. So this was made with the Electro-Pop neon flock, the orange glow transfer sheet, this part of the detail stencil, and the Deco foil transfer gel. So what I will do is spread this transfer gel through the Deco foil, and then we will let it dry for an hour or two until it goes from white to clear. Then we put a neon flock transfer sheet on it and run it through the laminator. Super simple to do. Just lay your stencil on top of a piece of cardstock. I like to stick it down with washi tape so it doesn't move around, and then use an applicator or an old gift card to apply this transfer gel. The thinner it is, the more quickly it will dry. Remove your stencil and set it aside to be washed, and you can see that our transfer gel has that beautiful hatch design from the stencil, and it's white. So like I say, we're going to set it apart to dry. We want it to be clear, so you can leave it for an hour or 2 or 3, and then you come back with your neon flock sheets, put the flock face down on that clear transfer gel and run it through your laminator. The flocking will stick to that gel piece, and then what you will get is something like this that's very soft and fuzzy. When you peel it off, the reverse is also very soft and fuzzy, so you can use both pieces of that flock design for your cards, and you can cut them into strips. You can use the entire piece. It just makes a really fun background. Next, we are going to make some ice cream cones. So we can use the stamp sets and the matching dies to make our little ice cream cones. And here I've made 4 of the different neon colors. Aren't those fun? The ice cream cone base, what I did is I just stamped a crosshatch design on craft paper. I like to use Ranger Archival ink. This one's in ground espresso. And I'll just cut them out with scissors. And we'll adhere them to the base of our ice cream cone with a little bit of tape runner from Scrapbook Adhesives by 3L. So to add the fun neon detail to our cones, we're going to use the stencil. This particular one will fit right over the top. This is pink. Just line it up. Again, you can stick your stencil down with a piece of washi tape to keep it in place. There's our pink cone. So set aside to dry. It dries quite quickly, and then you have your assortment of neon glitzy ice cream cones and donuts. So you can use plain white cardstock, or you can run it through a dry embossing folder. We'll just put this card together. I think I want to add some dimension to our ice cream cones, so this is where I will use the Scrapbook Adhesives 3D squares. So you can dress it up with some ribbon or some stitching across the top and bottom, but it's a really fun card. I love the pops of color from the neon. It just, all that brightness makes me happy. Hope you enjoyed this little video. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and be sure to follow our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by.